The Flow Hive Gabled roof looks amazing, but for my setup, it's actually a problem. The Flow Hive Gabled roof definitely looks great. It's clean, modern, and makes the hive stand out. But in my situation, it's not the best option. Here in the Fraser Valley, BC, we get cold, damp weather, wind, and raccoons. So I actually need a flat roof instead. With a flat roof, I can add styrofoam on top to help regulate the temperature. That keeps the hives warmer in cold weather and cooler in summer. It also lets me put a heavy brick on top. That helps stop raccoons from lifting the lid and keeps strong winds from blowing the roof off. The gabled roof looks great, but you can't really stack insulation or weight on it properly. So what I did was take a regular flat Langstroth lid and notch out one side so it fits perfectly over the Flow Hive Super. Now I get the benefits of insulation, weight for security and wind protection, and it's better temperature control. It may not look as fancy, but for the bees, it's actually the better setup. If you're running Flow Hives, let me know in the comments. Are you using the gabled roof or a flat lid like this? And if you're not following my beginner beekeeping journey, hit the subscribe and follow along. I'm documenting everything as I learn.